Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by building a single, focused dataset repository that represents exactly how you want Copilot to code. Add 50 to 200 representative examples with clear input/output pairs and a README describing intent and style. Once done, make sure every file follows a consistent naming and formatting convention. That consistency is what shapes predictions. Commit and push, then use branch naming to mark it as training examples, so you can iterate without polluting main work. Next, you teach Copilot by signal, not guesswork. Insert explicit comments that state intent, constraints, and examples above functions. Those comments act as prompts when suggestions are generated. When Copilot suggests code, accept correct bits, edit wrong parts, and explicitly reject bad suggestions so the assistant receives corrective signals. If you have access to Copilot Labs or personalization features, use them to mark preferred snippets and styles. Repeat this process across files to reinforce patterns and preferred idioms. To finish, validate behavior by running tests and CI against the training repo. Reliable passing tests provide objective feedback to the model about correct outputs. Once validated, iterate. Refine examples, repush changes, and repeat 2 to 4 cycles to cement patterns. If you hit poor suggestions, troubleshoot by simplifying examples, removing ambiguous samples, and reducing noisy variations so signals are clear. A single key tip: when things go wrong, cut examples to the minimal reproducer and rebuild from that core.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.